Hi, all. My name is Heidi Tassa, and I am your academic advisor for this academic year. If you are here with me, you probably already have your schedule made, and you are in general studies either because you're trying to figure things out or because you'll transfer, and that might be the best way to keep your GPA up. I just want you to know that I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Something that I want you to keep in mind for this week, the very first week of classes, is that if you'd like to add or drop a class, this is the best time. There's no penalty to drop within the first week, and it's easier to find a replacement for a class. Remember that you have to have at least 12 credit hours if you have financial aid or you are in the dorms. If you go below that, you could actually, you won't get your money back, and you won't be able to stay in the dorm. So those are some things that you really need to keep in mind. So this week, if you see that things aren't working out, by Friday, 9 a.m., please let me know so that I can change those things for you. The contact information is in the email. I've listed my cell phone. Please don't hesitate to use that from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm in Surecliff, B209. That's on the second floor. So when you come into the main entrance, it's the first staircase to the left and the first hallway to the right and the very end. So don't hesitate to reach out to me in any way. I've also included a link to the site so that you can kind of navigate and understand what you need to do to get your general studies degree. If you're thinking about other majors, maybe you can click here and figure that out. And then before registration, I kind of give you some information on what you need to be aware of, but that won't happen until October. So we've got a lot of time, but I'm excited to be your advisor and to help in any way I can. So I look forward to working with you all. Bye-bye.